They told you this was normal, but it's not. You wake up feeling heavy, not just in your body, but in your mind, in your chest, in your bones. You reach for caffeine. Again. You push through the fog. Again. You numb the inflammation, ignore the bloat, silence the cravings, and you call it just getting older. But let's call it what it really is. A system that's failed you. A system that handed you a food pyramid built by marketers. A system that told you to fear red meat but trust sugar-free soda. A system that gave you pills for symptoms and side effects for the pills. A system that profits off your confusion, fatigue, and pain. And now, you're stuck. Stuck in a cycle of low energy, poor sleep, slow recovery, brain fog, and hidden shame. You've tried the diets, the supplements, the gym memberships, but nothing sticks. Nothing works. Not because you're broken, but because everything around you is designed to keep you broken. The truth? You were built for more. You were made to move, to hunt, to build, to recover, to thrive. Your body isn't the problem. It's the map back to who you're supposed to be. A strong, clear-minded, pain-free human who wakes up energized, not exhausted. But somewhere along the way, we lost the signal. We started outsourcing our instincts, trusting fake food, fake science, and fake strength. And now, most people are just surviving, going through the motions, barely holding on. But not you. You feel the call to go deeper, to live cleaner, to finally heal. Introducing Carnivore Optimized. Created by Jonathan Griffiths, an autistic athlete, spine disease survivor, and founder of Carnivore Muscle, this 80-plus page transformation blueprint is unlike anything you've tried. It's not another diet. It's not another biohack. It's not another influencer telling you to just drink more water. This is a full biological reset, a powerful primal guide to returning to the strength, clarity, and control that's always been yours, just buried under years of synthetic food, broken habits, and bad information. Inside Carnivore Optimized, you'll unlock the truth about meat. Forget the myths. Learn why animal-based nutrition heals inflammation, restores hormones, and gives your brain and body the real fuel it's starving for. Brain reboot protocols. Say goodbye to fog, poor memory, and low motivation. Restore your mental clarity with ancestral tools that don't rely on caffeine or stimulants. Hormonal healing strategies. Your hormones aren't your enemy, they're your engine. Discover how to balance cortisol, reignite testosterone, and wake up with drive again. Smart strength systems. Learn how to train without burnout. Build real strength, protect your joints, and stop destroying your body in the name. Recontinuo. Daily natural reset. Reconnect to the earth, to movement, to sunlight. Learn the forgotten daily rituals that calm your nervous system and restore your energy. This isn't about being perfect, it's about being powerful. Forget the six-pack. Forget the step tracker. Forget the 30-day beach body garbage. This is about being able to play with your kids without pain. It's about waking up excited to start your day. It's about not needing naps, pills, or fake energy to feel alive. It's about knowing you're in control again. Because here's the truth. Your biology knows exactly what to do once you get out of its way. Still skeptical? That's good. You should question everything, because you've been lied to for years. By ads, by labels, by people who make money keeping you tired. But what if this time the answer isn't more complexity? What if it's less? Less rules, less junk, less noise? Just meat, movement, sunlight, stillness. The same pillars your ancestors lived by. The same path your body is begging you to walk again. The system wants you weak. Weak people don't ask questions. They stay quiet. They follow trends. They buy things to fill the emptiness. But strong people, they rebel. They cut the noise. They fuel their bodies with truth. They train with intention. They live with clarity. That's what Carnivore Optimized is. A rebellion. A revolt against the culture that sold you weakness. A return to nature, to truth, and to you. If you're ready to wake up different, here's what you do. Download Carnivore Optimized. Read the first chapter today. Start implementing even just one truth. Watch your body respond.